kay ni Mami dyan.
Lilo! Ay, pa-cute-cute. Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes.
Wow.
Uy, beautiful eyes. Lilo, Lilo. Blockies, blockies, Lilo. Ala, Lilo.
Ano ba yan?
Nako.
Ano ba yan?
Ala. Ala. Wala nanonood. Ala, 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 ala. Ala, 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 ala. Oh, ala. Ala. Ala, 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 ala. Ala, ala. Ala. Baby, what's that? Uy. Psst.
Hindi siya yung pindot dyan.
Blockies, Lilo, blockies. Lilo, blockies. 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 Mwah! Amo. Ala, ay! Psst, psst. Huwag yan. Hoy! Eh.
Hala ka yan. Hala yan. Hala yan.
Oh, na-change mo yung channel.
Hala yan. Hala.
Ala! Ay, ay, ay.
Hala yan. Hala yan.
Sunrise detergent with color safe bleaching action. 550 na lang.
9 out of 10 children. Ayokong masali ang anak ko. I teach her
Lilo.
but you know kids.
Baby.
I also give her Colgate. With liquid calcium and fluoride.
Hala.
2 times better cavity
Huwag yan, dali.
protection. Parang shells and teeth
Hoy.
protect one with Colgate.
Huwag yan.
Tulog yan.
Sa vinegar, ang unprotected
Kung
shells.
sira yan.
Pero ang may Colgate, may superior cavity protection.
Ay, nako. Sinira mo.
Eh.
Ala.
Cavity protection.
Hala yan.
I've had my fair share of critics, pero my hair, they could never criticize. I just shampoo every day with Pantene Glossy Shine. Each time I use it, mas nagiging glossy my hair. I think it's the pro-vitamin formula. Parang it pampers each strand. And the smell? Super bango! It's a great feeling to know that you can shine. Try Pantene.
Ala.
Gretchen Barreto, hailed most beautiful. Her shampoo, Pantene
Ay,
Glossy
ay,
Shine.
ay, 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 ay. Bitaw mo siya. Bitaw mo, bitaw mo.
Tawag mo baka maan.
Hindi,
Hindi, hindi.
hindi. Ay, hindi yan. Hindi pwede.
Ah,
Hindi. Ay, nauntog. Ay, sipon yaya. Ay, sakit yun. Oh, sakit yun. Nauntog.
Oh, oh. Hulog ka.
Ano yan? Ay! Sabi ko, hindi pwede yan. Kiss, kiss, mami. Lilo, kiss, kiss. Kiss, mami, kiss, mami. Kiss. Ay, hinggo.